It is Monday. Let's get dressed for work with what I have in my closet. So this is the basic layer. Today I'm going to wear a dress. This is such an old dress. I picked this dress up from I don't know whether it's the Lidl or the Aldi, one of those two. I can't remember anymore. But it's such a nice dress. I really, really loved it. So I'm gonna wear this dress. So I have a legging on, body shape wear on top of it because I want everything to like smooth down and everything to look cool. So this is what I'm dealing with. This dress is so cute. I used to be obsessed with this dress. There was a time that I used to wear this dress a lot, and now I barely don't. So now I take it out of my closet again, and I'm going to be wearing it today again for the first time after a long period of not wearing it. I hope it still fits. It looks like it's a bit tight. Yeah. Ooh, it still fits. It still fits a little bit. It's a bit tight, but it does fit. I have to be able to move my hand up and down. It's a bit tight on this side, like here, because I've gained a little bit of weight. A bit tight here, a bit on the sleeve, a bit tighter, but it's okay. It looks good. It looks real good. I like it. This is the dress. And this is small. This dress is small. At the time I got this dress, I was extremely skinny. So this dress is on the smaller size. I don't like the fact that the my panty is showing. But you know what? I'm gonna wear a uniform on top of it, so it's okay. I took out this boot off. I thought, you know what? Let me wear this one this week. Like I said, I have quite a few amounts of this type of boot, and these are very comfortable to walk with. They're not like they have a little bit of a heel, but it's not like really really high. So this is like extremely comfortable to walk with. This is the outfit. Let me wear some makeup. Yes, no. Gonna wear a lip gloss. I love lip gloss. It's Monday, a new week. I'm a bit excited and nervous at the same time. It's Monday. I always don't have energy on Monday. Monday, I'm not really motivated to go to work. My hair is growing, so definitely I'm going in with my natural hair. No need to wear a cap anymore. Maybe when I'm cycling outside, I definitely need to wear a cap. I'm going to take a little bit of this Sol de Janeiro body oil. I want my skin to shine. I want my skin to glow. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. This is what girl. So guys, this is the outfit look for Monday. The girl is ready for work. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. I look good. I feel good. I have this thing, this breakout. It's this is not an acne. It's an hormone imbalance thing, and it goes and comes, but getting much more better. I used to have this when I was um, pregnant with my daughter. And now my daughter is 7 years, almost 8 years, and I still have issue with this hormone imbalance. It's getting better. I'm really really happy. It used to be worse than this. So it's getting better now, but it comes and go. It comes and go. Um, yeah, it's a bit annoying. There's nothing I can do about it. So yeah. Thank you guys so much. Team Fullest, heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out. Bye. Doei.